Want to know how to buy the Ethereum tokens in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and now once you have done that, here you should be welcomed with this home screen right here. So make sure you're logged in for this home screen. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now, right above your navigation down below, you should be seeing buy and deposit. Just simply select buy right here, and once you've selected that, a new window should open up where you should be provided with popular tokens. So if you don't see your Ethereum tokens, you can just simply search up for it as well, and you can just simply select it, view its value, and once you're proceeded with it, a pop-up should be there where you can choose your value from $100 to $1,000, and then just simply select continue. Once that is on, you should be proceeded with verification and payment, and that's it. Super simple and easy, and you should be able to buy Ethereums. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.